What's going on, my Trusted Signals family? It's your boy Chris P, and today I'm gonna be the Trusted Signals tutor. All right, so I need everybody to smash that like button, hit that thumbs up button, because we need 100 likes for me to join the channel, and I think that we can get there. All right, so let's go ahead and punch that like button, hit that sub button, and make sure that you follow my channel because your boy is always dropping gems on there, Trusted Signals giveaways, and all that good stuff. Today's video is really about key zones and how I was able to get these trades, and I want to go ahead and just give you this knowledge so that way you can make money in these markets with Trusted Signals. As you can see here, Trusted Signals, we're currently in a sell, and as you can see, take profit 1 smash, take profit 2 has already been smashed, and I do believe that we will hit take profit 3 because we are starting to see some bearish momentum in the trend meter. If you guys are not familiar with the trend meter is a very powerful indicator, and given at the right moment can give you perfect entries such as this. So number one, we're in a key zone. Okay, that's one of my confirmations. Then we also see this great blue support line. Okay, and as you can see here, we have Trusted Signals on V2 settings, scalp trading, and as well, we have the support and resistance line on. Support is the blue line, resistance is the red. And as you can see here, we have a blue support line, a buy signal, and a blue on the trend meter. We are completely bullish, especially since we are on the bottom, right? We had a minor retest, right? A minor retest of this area right here. You could have easily got in on this buy here with no indicators because of these key zones, but now we're being a bit more patient. Boom. And on top of that, we're not getting any drawdown at all on this trade because of the trend meter and having these 3 confirmations. 3 confirmations when you're using Trusted Signals alerts is very important. Okay, now the reason why I didn't take this sell here is because, as you can see here, we are still waiting for the trend meter to turn red. So boom, now we're in a key zone. Okay, what would most people be looking for? Most people will most likely be looking for buys here, okay, which can completely happen. Okay, we can see a buy signal right here. Most likely we will see another rejection here and we will come back down. But I guarantee you that Trusted Signals is also going to call the buy signal, okay, here, or it's also going to call a red trend meter, okay, a red trend. So we have to be very patient. Now, if we look at the 4-hour chart, what are we doing? We're tanking. Let's go ahead and wait to see what Trusted Signals was indicating. I haven't even looked at this on the higher time frames. Okay, now higher time frames, boom. As you can see here, buy signal here. We are still moving up. So you had a buy signal, and then we broke this resistance level. We had a resistance area right here. We could have taken our profit at the top right here. And now what we would be most likely waiting for is a sell signal. Okay, even on the 4-hour chart, we're over here waiting for a sell signal to happen right here. Boom. And we should be able to go ahead and fill in this area right here and get some trades. But I am not taking this trade unless the trend meter and 3 other confirmations is giving me my signal for entry. Okay, now another thing is when you're taking these trades such as this one right here, let's wait for Trusted Signals to go ahead and load. When you're taking these specific trades, we're seeing a blue line, okay, which is a support, and we're also seeing a blue line for the trend, and we're moving up. Now, where do you want to put your stop loss? Where do you want to put your take profit? If you look at my past video, I literally was doing this live and I called out this buy signal from this specific area in a key area. All we have to do is go to the future. All right, we're finding support. Remember though, on the higher time frame, there's another section underneath here. So now we're gonna go ahead and go to this 15-minute again. But remember, there could be an area right here where it has to retest before it does bounce up. So now you're finding yourself with a more balanced trade outlook for the future. Even though Trusted Signals did not give the buy signal, you with the key zones, okay, because remember, Trusted Signals is supposed to be an added confluence indicator. You're not supposed to take every single signal that gives out. You're supposed to use it in confluence with other indicators. So I'm using it with 3 confirmations. Now, where am I placing my stop loss? I am placing my stop loss right below. Most people, okay, most people would do this, right? Because they're going to put it under the last low high, right? This is no, for Trusted Signals, I am putting it right underneath the support line. Okay, so we're in a key zone, which is also a great indicator for a strong push upward. We also have a support level. I am moving the stop loss right underneath that support level. And even on the sell signal right here, okay, we had an area where we got in and we're in on this specific trade right here. Boom. Guess what? We are taking this trade and we are putting this stop loss above this key zone and above this resistance level. Now, let's say we were taking this trade here on a short position. And I know that this is going to help a lot of you guys because, of course, you want to know how to get these nice risk to reward ratios. And if you watch my channel, you know risk to reward ratio, you can lose more trades and still win more money. So boom, we're entering on this candle right here. Yes, you would have faced a bit of drawdown, but guess what? We are now putting this right above this area of support. And then we should be able to take this down here for a nice 1-to-3 ratio. Even though take profits are here, we already smashed these take profits from when the signal was given out. And as you guys know, even 10 pips on NAS, US 30, gold, that can be potentially hundreds, thousands of dollars, depending on how many lot sizes you're using. Now, if you're using proper risk management, guess what? This trade right here, you would already be in profit for sure, 1%. This trade made over 7%, I believe. So Trusted Signals with confluence with all of these indicators is going to give you the better trade. Even in this area right here, let's say we take the trade. Once this turns red, we can still move this here. And if we wanted to go ahead and be more risky, we're going to put this back down here because we should see this tank all the way down here. And where are we using the take profits? Okay. Yes, take profits are in this specific indicator here, but you also have to use your brain sometimes. And guess what? You're going to be able to take profit around this support or resistance area. You know, this resistance area where it found support, this key zone. So remember, once you get into profit, we're trailing stops and we're taking profits, okay? So guys, if you like this channel, if you like what I have to teach, make sure that you hit that like button, that sub button, okay? Because your boy is always dropping gems. Another great indicator is a multi-time frame. Everything is lighting up red. So guess what, guys? We should see this come down. And this is how you use Trusted Signals. And there's more indicators that Trusted Signals has to offer. And I am not even using Heinicke candles, which, you know, I guess is ideal for Trusted Signals and is going to give you a better idea of the trend. I am not using Heinicke candles. I am using regular candles, guys. So regular candles can help your trading. If you are smart enough to use more than one confluence, you will become profitable. And if you use proper risk to reward ratio, you will become profitable. And if you're using proper risk management, not overshooting your lot size, trying to get rich every single trade, you will become profitable. So guys, I appreciate your patience with me watching this video. I have a lot more coming. Trusted Signals has a bot coming, which has literally been back tested and it's being back tested right now. It's literally been killing everything and you're gonna be able to automate trades soon. So it's gonna be very cool. Stay tuned for that. And if you like money, make sure that you follow your boy because your boy is always dropping gems. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.